With IELTS Online, you can take the world's leading English language test from any private space, including the comfort of your home. Setting up your IELTS Online space is the first step to success. Follow these 4 steps at least one day before your test. Step 1. Organise your test room. Your test room must be private, not shared with anyone else, and have access to secure internet. Hotspots and VPNs are not allowed. Your room must also be quiet with no noise in the background, and it must be clear from items like bookshelves, plants, or posters. Make sure the room is well lit too, so your face can be seen clearly by your greeter. Step 2. Prepare your desk. Once your room is ready, you need to get your desk area prepared. You can sit or stand at a clear, open table surface. On your desk, there should only be your computer, your passport, any permitted electronic devices, and a clear, unlabelled water bottle or glass. You cannot have any pens, paper, food, or anything else. Remember to ensure that there are no books or written materials near you or your desk. Step 3. Prepare your electronic devices. IELTS Online can only be taken on a desktop or laptop computer. Before you start, check your device is working, plugged in, and connected to the internet. Once your device is connected, download the Inspera exam portal and run the system check. You must also have a wired or inbuilt microphone, speaker, and keyboard, which should be set to UK, US, or Australian English. You should also have a wired mouse, a computer camera, and a handheld device like a mobile phone or tablet to show your monitor and keyboard area to the greeter. Make sure you clean your camera lens before the test, so videos and photos are good quality. After the greeter checks your desk and room, you will be asked to show them your phone being turned off and placed out of reach. Step 4. Remove non-essential items. Remove any of these items from the space. Headphones, headsets, or any kind of ear device, any Bluetooth devices, any masks or face coverings. Your ears and face need to be visible for the whole test. Watches and jewellery, any additional monitors, external memory storage devices like USBs and printers, or any other non-essential devices. To recap, 1. Find a private, quiet test room. 2. Make sure your desk is clear with only permitted electronic devices and water. 3. Prepare your electronic devices to take IELTS Online. 4. Remove non-essential items. If you have any issues, contact us at IELTSonline@idp.com. IELTS Online. Take it anywhere to make it anywhere.